Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. It's your boy Gabbyproscra back on another video. Not to waste so much time, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a loop AZAWI from Swang's Avenue and King Saha from, I'm not sure where King Saha is from. Yeah, let's keep going. You know, we first play the loop. Let's play the loop. So as you can hear, that's a very good loop for King Saha, like AZAWI from Swang's Avenue. Most of them like using such kind of melodies. Play the dark piano. Kept it on repeating itself. Played something called trance. Laid the same chords called citrus. Play Tesla pipe. Whoever watched one of my videos before, I use this a lot. Another thing I played, I went to morphine. Yes, so if you know, you know. You already know what I used here on morphine. As you can see, I copied the same chords, then I just played around with it with a guitar from Morphine. That guitar is called electric guitar. Played around with. Comment under the video. I'm going to make a video about how to create a guitar. I'll make a full video about how you can make your own guitar the way you have made this one. Let's keep on going. We came to the bass. As you know, this kind of artist, you have to play like 2 to 3 basses. As I know, I've told you in most AZAWI videos that I make, play at least 2 or 3 basses. The second bass, we're having this one. Some Afro, shout out to Afro Way, by the way. Their packs that I downloaded, they gave it out for free. This is one of the things I found inside. As you can see, I was showing you the chords at first, then I added something that I got from their packs too. It just keeps repeating over. Then we have another one, like a vocal. Yeah, it was actually a vocal. So then I picked some drum that I found in their drum kit. After I added a few more things also, because I felt like that drum was not sounding a bit harder for me. As you know me, I like something hard, so I added this saxophone, yeah, whatever the name is, man. Let's keep going. Okay. This one I got from Afrobeat producers. When you get this kind of thing, you don't have to play the same way you found them. You have to cut and rearrange them your own way, and sometimes pitch some of them up. Thank you for watching. That was all about the beat. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like.
Purchase your tracks today. For Scrawls, I made this beat.